Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the DirectX error in EA FC. Start by opening the Windows settings. Press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. When the settings window opens, look at the menu on the left and choose System. Scroll all the way down until you see the About section and open it. Inside the About page, find the option called Advanced System Settings and select it. A new window will appear. Go to the Advanced tab and click the Settings button under Performance. Another small window will open. Again, go to the Advanced tab and press the Change button in the Virtual Memory area. Here, you need to remove the check mark from the option that lets Windows manage the paging file size automatically. After that, select the Custom option so we can enter our own values. To enter the correct numbers, you need to do a small calculation. First, find out how much RAM you have. Multiply your RAM by 1024. Then take that number and multiply it by 1.5. Type this number in the initial size box. Now repeat the same steps, but instead of multiplying by 1.5, multiply your RAM by 1024 and then multiply the result by 3. Type this number into the maximum size box. When you finish entering both numbers, click Set and then press OK on all windows to save the changes. Now restart your computer. After the restart is complete, open EA FC again and see if the DirectX function error is gone. Thanks for watching.